Master Proxy, Rena and I have been monitoring several of the building's exits. The rebels are still on guard.
Seems likely they haven't completed their mission.
Indeed. With the perimeter guards now out of contact, they've undoubtedly heightened their defenses. I'm afraid this we'll need to break through the enemy's defenses as quickly as possible to save Miss Rain.
I'll lead the way.
Master, I have good news. I have finished decoding the building's holodata and can now detect heat signals in...
We can finally get a full view of the inside of the ballet twins. Perfect timing.
Protect the proxy, everyone.
Master, I have located the nearest biothermal signal. Guard. Can't get through. Master, I have found a torn newspaper on the ground. In many of your favorite video games, using items is a common way of collecting secret clues. There are quite a few little ones blocking the way in Tower B.
Looks fragile. Let me break it.
Watch out, everyone. The enemies are up ahead.
The lock.
This door needs a key.
I think I heard something. It's those people from the atrium! Stop them! We can't let them ruin our plan!
Gentlemen, please give up fighting and surrender.
Unique stat. Get back.
Oh no! The equipment! Forget about it! Retreat!
Oh dear. Leaving so soon, dear guests?
Time for a nap. Nap.
Mr. Lycon? We've done a full sweep, but there's no sign of Miss Rain.
Looks like these are just...
Lycon, what's this device they had on them? It looks like some kind of transmitter.
You are correct. This is a military-issued G03 multi-frequency signal transmitter. Along with the right multimedia devices, it could even aid intelligence operatives in hacking into high-level security systems.
Wow. I'm surprised you'd even know about this sort of thing. What kind of work do you usually do?
I apologize if that surprises you. For housekeepers such as us, this is simply common knowledge.
Well, at least now we can confirm they kidnapped Rain for her hacking abilities.
Hey, I found this with all the enemy's crap.
Wait, isn't that the airship the court uses?
Timetables, route maps. They even have hardware.
Master, there is an incoming call from Billy.
Hey, manager, is that you? We've got trouble! Things just went...
Calm down, Billy. Tell us what...
Okay, so, like 10 minutes ago, Perlman said he needed to check his suit, and but the moment he opened his suitcase, smoke exploded everywhere! Then everyone on the ship passed out, including the pilot! I was saved by my air intake malfunction.
What? So who's flying the ship right now?
It's in autopilot mode. It won't be crashing for now. But manager, I noticed something. Its scheduled route has been changed. It's flying straight toward the hollow where the ballet twins are. Won't be long now until we plunge straight in. What do I do, manager? Should I report it? Will they even believe me?
Based on what Mr. Billy said, the airship route was changed a while ago, but nobody on the outside.
Looks like this is Rain's handiwork. She not only took control of the airship, but she must have also faked the signal to make everyone think it's still on the correct course.
Hang on, what are you guys talking about? What's Rain got to do with this?
Long story short, Mr. Billy, Miss Rain was abducted by a group of rebels, and they used her to control your airship.
What? Wait, if it really was Rain, I don't think PubSec can handle it.
There's only one person that can deal with this crisis now.
The proxy is right. Victoria Housekeeping is currently with the proxy and the ballet twins attempting to save Miss Rain. If we can save her in time, we may still be able to change the airship's final...
Seriously? Lycon? Man...
Don't worry, we'll save the airship. Stay in contact though. We might still need your help.
Got it!
Master, I have calculated the airship will pass 15 meters above the ballet twins in 25 minutes.
Let's hurry, everyone.
Didn't expect this. Let's pick up the pace. Look, Wise, there's a key next to the enemy.
I've detected a fissure to the upper level behind that door.
That's our target. We've got to a new area.
access to the circuit system of the new area is the elevator leading to the rooftop area detected.
It appears we can use the
Great idea. Let's circle around and ambush them.
Master, I have found that it may provide you with some clue.
Can't open it. Try taking a look with night vision mode.
Valve status. The lock is not sufficient gear coins paid. Authentication successful. Opening valve.
This door needs a key. Let's go find it. This door needs a key. Let's go find...
Master, due to certain you cannot return.
Be careful. The ethereals in Tower B are stronger than before.
Step lightly, everyone. We wouldn't want to alert those militants.
Get back! Confirmed. Okay. Standing by. Move it!
I have located a hollow exit that leads to the rooftop. Nearby thermal signal detected. Biometric signature.
We found Rain, but there's enemies everywhere.
Let's approach the target with caution.
Why the light? What's up with the lights today? Is this place haunted or something?
The enemies haven't noticed yet. This is a great chance.
Enemies! Alert! Where the hell did they come from? Inform the captain now!
You won't have the chance to tip your friend down.
left the rooftop and seem ready to evacuate.
It appears they have gotten what they needed from this rain. Now we have to prevent them from harming her.
Thank you for your patience. Get lost!
Don't get in my way.
Wait, Captain! Didn't the employer ask us to bring her back and find out how much she leaked?
They're already onto us. We won't get away if we're stuck carrying dead weight. We were paid to do a job. We completed our primary task. There's no point in putting our lives on the line. We'll just say she didn't survive the ether corruption. Sorry, but it's your own fault for knowing too much.
What? Oh no! They've taken the hostage!
Damn it!
Should we pursue, Sir Lycon?
No. Saving Miss Rain and the airship is more important.
Rain! Rain! Are you okay? Don't worry, you're safe. We're friends of Nicole. We're here to save you.
You're really here to save me? Quick, get to the rooftop. We're running out of time. The course airship is about...
What was that?
It came from above. I'm afraid this won't be easy.
Reporting in, Captain. The timed explosives have detonated as planned. Hollow structural changes have been detected. The path to the rooftop is gone.
Copy that. They took the hostage back, but they can't save the airship now.
Master, a significant change to the upper floors of the building.
Those thugs did it. No wonder they abandoned the hostage. They were prepared for this.
Ferry, search for another path to the rooftop immediately.
Master, I have located a hollow exit leading to the rooftop of the building. The exit is located near Ballet Twins Tower B. Estimated travel time, 7 minutes. As we have to traverse high corruption areas along the way, possibly encountering dangerous ethereals, I cannot calculate the precise time needed.
Don't worry, Master Proxy. Ethereals won't stop Victoria housekeeping. I know you must be physically and mentally exhausted, Miss Rain, but we're counting on you to deal with the airship.
If all we need is to break control over the airship, I can disable the jamming equipment as soon as we reach the roof. But I heard them say to ensure the plan went smoothly, everyone on board was knocked out. Is there anyone left to steer it out of the hollow?
That's a bit of a problem. Billy is still awake, but he doesn't know how to pilot an airship.
Rain being able to free the airship is already sufficient. Please leave the rest to Victoria housekeeping. According to our intel, the airship should fly a short distance above the Ballet Twins. Since the airship lacks a pilot, The original exit has been destroyed. They really didn't hold back. Luckily, Master Proxy has found us another way out.
So many ethereals on the way to Tower.
Please, leave them to us.
We'll be counting on you then.
Now that I've recharged, it's time I get seated.
Try all the tools you can find. Increasing visibility will help us see the enemies earlier.
Your prowess is indeed impressive, Master Proxy.
something else, Proxy. The Tower B lobby is right ahead.
Master, I have found what seems to be a scrap.
We're here. That's the exit.
Prepare to break through.
Right.
Wait. Something isn't right.
The music. Isn't it the same as before?
It's the ethereal from the atrium.
It seems our guests haven't had enough fun yet. What? There's two of them.
Is the story actually true? We're running out of time.
Rest assured, Master Proxy. For Victoria housekeeping, it's plenty of time.
Your wish is our command.
Let's go.
Are they the Dancer Sisters?
They do have the style of dancers. But now isn't the time to admire their moves.
Around and stop! Locked on target. Don't look at me! Looks like the job.
Warning. The airship is almost here.
Stay focused. Enemies are looking tired.
They did it! They left!
Our mission continues. Onward.
Can you hear me, Wise? The airship is almost there!
It's the manager! Manager! I'm over here!
Billy!
Warning. The airship will reach the target location in 20 seconds. 10 seconds remaining.
Hurry up! We're not gonna make it!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
Good work. We got everyone out.
Your Honor, I object.
How are they doing?
Don't worry. It was a strong anesthetic, but they'll wake up in an hour.
We owe you big time, Lycon.
You're too kind. We are honored to have worked with you. It is thanks to your assistance we were able to save.
Word from public security is that the rescue squad and Air Force are on the way!
Billy, we can't let Rain get taken in by public security. Her identity as a hacker is unique, and she hacked into the airship while under duress. We'll take her into the Hollow and make our exit from there. You know how to deal with
I didn't inhale the gas, so I piloted the airship here for an emergency landing. Oh, right. Speaking of which, after all that's happened,
Public security will likely take Perlman back.
I'll leave this to you then. We'll get going.
take care, guys.
Thanks. Punishing evil and upholding justice is...
I wonder what Nicole's face is gonna look like when she wakes up and finds out what happened today. What's that sound? Ah! Perlman!
Weren't expecting me to wake up so soon. Those bastards. They pretended to agree to my demands, but they wanted me dead from the start. If I get taken back to public security, I doubt I'll even make it through the night. The way things are, I better get the heck out of New Eridu.